Hi. Okay, so I'm talking through this build right now. It's late, so that's all I'm doing. But I'm saying to myself, I gotta get this done. Oh, and because I am trying to start this, and you need to have that done. So right now, a lot of people have been asking about my 100 baby challenge, so I need to get that done. So I went ahead and started on this, and it's a small house. I just bought an empty lot, and I wanted to build on it, and I thought it would make a good thing to do. So right now I'm making these rooms bigger. So these are going to be the boy and girl rooms, you'll see later. I don't have much to talk about, so I'm excited. It's one of my first videos as a simmer. Finally got this account, and I can talk for like 14 more minutes. Oh. No, I might put music on. Can I do that? But so I couldn't figure out how to get it sped up because I don't have wraps yet. It's just video. So yeah, I guess I'm putting down some counters. You know what? So I'm just putting down counters. It's actually kind of fun making this house, and I'm gonna try to get more up every so often. And so I know I really like doing this stuff, but I don't. I'm just starting out, and as most of you know, I don't want to put all my eggs in one basket and start a YouTube channel and then not be popular at all. And I just want to see what response I get before because it's expensive for frats. It's like $19 a month. I looked into it, so I'm reading, and I've been getting a couple comments on baby names, which I'm writing down, doing all that. I started doing some stuff on my own just to get used to the game. I don't know, but what I'm really into doing is builds right now on the gallery, and you can, I forgot what my origin ID is, but I was thinking of a name, and I came up with Sparkly Simmer because I love sparkles. So right now, my video, I uploaded the video first, and now I'm watching it on my phone and recording just some audio for it. So right now, it might be a little off sync, but I was just putting a bed in the bedroom, and I had like literally no money at the end. Oh, I'm so tired. I need to go to bed. So I started doing like an Immortal Sisters challenge, which I got a little bit in, but then I got kind of bored. I was doing like a household, and I got bored. And right now I think I've been working on, I was doing a 100 baby challenge, but I decided to create a new sim. I'm trying to get that up. I'll get a creative sim up soon. Oh, wish I could figure out how to speed this up so I wouldn't be talking so long. It's like, it's very late, our time, very late. Okay. I don't know what I recorded this video of me building the house a couple days ago. So and it's been taking a while for me to get it uploaded. I think I'm rounding towards the end. Nope. So I'm going to be doing Q&A. Leave your questions below. Tell me what you would like to see me build, because builds are really all I can really do right now. Unless you would like to see me do a let's play and we record the audio this way by doing a separate audio, and I can do that. So I'll just leave all that below. Q&A be doing. I think I'm gonna do, once I reach 100 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, which will be fun. And I'm gonna give away a lot of cool stuff. Oh, I'm so tired. So, I think it's been like 7 minutes so far. See, the video, I'm watching the video I already uploaded, just with no sound at all. I want to record some audio. So I'm at 7:13, I'm at 7:16, 7:15, so I'm about 1 or 2 seconds off. I'm getting bored. But my origin ID, I think is AMALEXMCD. I think that's my origin ID, I'm pretty sure. I'll probably put it in the description. And I'm going to be trying to get some custom content soon, so if you know any good places to get that. And like I said, subscribe to me, hit the thumbs up, and leave your questions below. I don't want to talk anymore. You know, I wonder if you could do, I think you can do a thing where you put custom music in. You don't have to listen to this. I was looking through the Sims 4 files, and I saw it, so thinking about looking into that. Hopefully I'll have this video by tomorrow morning, which will be Saturday morning. It's Friday night, so any questions? I know it's not going to be that popular right now since I have 3 subscribers. Yes, that's so fun. 3 subscribers. So that's about it. Roof is pretty easy on this one. Just a box, so I think I'm almost, no, I'm not almost done. I think I do windows next. Okay. Once I figure out how to speed up, I'll be a lot more energetic about this. Because now it's just sitting. not sure why. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I think I went to get a drink of water, I think. Yeah. I was trying to figure out how to do a button or something. Makes sense, makes sense. Okay. I probably got on my phone. Makes sense. So I wanted to go outside the box on this one. Outside the box of our boxy house. Yeah, so I decided to get some different windows. Still trying to learn to do that. I recently got this game at like the end of March or something. I know, y'all are probably thinking I'm so boring, but it'll get better. Just trust me, trust me. It'll get better. It'll be better in the future. I just need to wait until it's just late and I'm tired. I'm gonna get fraps at some point, but I'm waiting to see if I can make it to 100. Just based off the speed builds and some off audio let's plays, then I'll get fraps and it'll be fun. It'll be fun. I'm pretty cool. Pretty cool. Always wanted to do something like this. Things like that. And I realized at one point that it was like off. And but I didn't notice that until I was putting in this back one. See, this is about when I noticed when you see me turn around. Yeah, I was just looking. To see if it was just like that. And I can't ever remember the cheat for remove objects. So if you know it, leave it below, please. Wait, I think I'm about done. Oh, you know I'm not. Never mind. Never mind. But I just love making kids rooms. I'm gonna probably make some kids rooms tonight. Remember to go in the gallery and go to AMALEXMCD on the gallery. I'm about done. Hallelujah. Oh. I think I got a bear. I think that's it. Yeah, I got a bear. Like I said, it was a few days ago. There, the end. Thanks for watching.